Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope all of you are fine. Today I'm going to tell you why do we need three-phase power supply if we have single-phase power supply available with us. I will make you understand in very simple and easy words. I will tell you where it is used and how it is produced and why do we need this. So first of all, let's take example of transmission line from grid station to our home transformer. As you know, P is equal to I square R and P is equal to V square over R. Large amount of power is consumed if we increase current and transmit it over transmission line due to heat losses and other relevant electrical losses. So we want to limit the current. Instead of using the current over transmission lines, we prefer voltage, because voltage with use of voltage loss is minimum and effectively power is transmitted from grid station to our home transformers, from where it is down converted from higher voltage 11 kV or 33 kV to 220 our home used voltage. So this is the main use of three-phase power supply. Of course, single phase cannot bear this large amount of voltage. Usually 400 volts phase to phase voltage in three-phase system is used. So single phase system that is around 230 to 240 voltage, it's insufficient to be transmitted over transmission lines. And secondly, as you already know, that everything has limit. Similarly, single phase has power limit. It can transfer maximum power up to 7500 watts, that makes 7.5 kilowatts. Let's take example of it. As you already know that three-phase power supply uses three phase to make it start, and similarly you can see bulb that uses single phase is sufficient for glowing it. So three-phase power is necessary to turn the motor on. As you know, magnet is used and it requires three phase. Let's take another example. Let's take example of highway. On a single lane highway, just one vehicle can pass at one time. But what if we require 3 to 4 vehicles to pass simultaneously? So we require 4-lane highway. Similarly, this is the case with the three-phase power supply. If we want to run more load applications like AC and motors, so we need three-phase power supply. And you can see at the screen that three-phase power supply is separated by 120 angle between it. Now there must be question in your mind that how this phase separation is between these phases, how practically it is possible to separate phases. So let me tell you that at hydel power stations, three magnets are used at hydel turbines. So where electricity is produced, there is already shift of 120 degrees at time of production of electricity. So that electricity is transported throughout the power supply and power distribution framework. So in this way, this three-phase power supply is maintained and phase difference of 120 is maintained between these three phases. That's all. I hope you liked my video and you have understood three-phase power supply. If you have any question in your mind, you can mention in comment box and I will surely reply to that and help you out. Kindly subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues in order to help.